The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a critical commitment by DeFi to the whole world, not on the grounds that there are relatively few late players during the pandemic, but since very few have decided to work from an alternate organization by and large, standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution. AMP is known to run on Flexa organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a nitty-gritty AMP value forecast referenced here, a definitive goal of this token being unequivocally something similar to ensure exchanges and inborn information, making them more moment and secure, based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC20 standard for tokens. AMP provides clients with the comfort of trading in fiat or some other advanced monetary standards. AMP token, the less popular realities. A significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to a sensational expansion in the quantity of excavators, upheld by a hardy and high data transfer capacity public blockchain stage. The issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching fake or false exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as guarantee for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa organization and such comparable advancements. The underpinning of AMP is completely dependent on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Subsequently, security snags are captured first. A striking trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This distinguishable characteristic makes it interesting contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Thus, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in carrying out brilliant agreements and move reserves. AMP token, specialized examination. Going by the specialized examination, AMP cost has had a noteworthy journey since its send-off, which could be the primary justification for its prominence. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at 5 cents, with a market cap of $2,182,644,204.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume of AMP coin remains at $96,102,579.91, with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In view of authentic information, the coin has begun its excursion at $0, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enlisted an unexpected spike and crossed 3 cents. From that point forward, it kept on exchanging reasonably till June. On June 16th, AMP recorded an unequaled high of 12 cents. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop and retested to 3 cents. Right now, in July, the token stamped significant recuperation and keeps on exchanging around 7 cents. It was low when contrasted with every one of the coins. In light of our AMP cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is 23 cents. With a 5-year venture, the income of AMP digital currency is supposed to be around plus 510.13%. Toward the start of December 2022, the AMP cost may be around 7 cents according to our AMP gauge. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The typical AMP cost for the month will be around 7 cents. AMP gauge toward the month's end is 7 cents. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at any rate level of 7 cents in the primary portion of 2022. The AMP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 8 cents with the typical cost of 7 cents all through 2022. AMP cost began in 2022 at 4 cents. Today, the ongoing cost of AMP is exchanged at 5 cents, so the cost expanded by 16.16% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj normal AMP cost forecasts toward the finish of 2022 is 25 cents. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 169%. In the main portion of 2023, the AMP cost will move to 10 cents. In the final part, the cost would be 24 cents and constantly end it would be 29 cents. AMP has been protecting its ongoing position well against the market-wide instability. Starting from the primary portion of 2022, the AMP coin cost will see numerous bullish positions, which are higher than the past one. In the present moment to midterm situation for our AMP coin cost expectation 2022, the normal AMP cost examination needs to break past the retracement level at 9 cents. Our drawn-out AMP gauge is bullish, significantly more. It has a high chance of arriving at another unsurpassed high this year. The vertical pattern has been anticipated simply on the benefits of AMP viz, security and unwavering quality. AMP is a computerized insurance token that offers certain confirmations collateralization for a steam move. A further effect on costs for this security token should be visible in light of the inflow of assets by monetary foundations and guarantee token financial backers in the long haul. Crypto positions as one of the main 50 digital forms of money, and with this it will doubtlessly arrive at new levels. AMP Value Forecast 2022. There is no certain shot digital currency estimate for any of the current AMP crypto coins. Thus for AMP figure, taking into account the verifiable information in digital money markets, AMP is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and dealers' local area. AMP might support an inspirational perspective as long as the cost exchanges with numerous bullish moves. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the venture guidance or certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling 9 cents. AMP Value Expectation 2023. AMP has laid out a quick, solid environment and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the AMP with instituting gain a lot greater cost of 11 cents per coin. On the off chance that the drive for practical AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. What's more, thus, as per AMP's cost expectation 2023, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to procure great return from here on out. AMP Value Forecast 2024. Many theories are going ahead for AMP, particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There is an estimate that the AMP cost might reach 14 cents. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The thrilling special endeavors might wrap up, making the clients gather the increases. AMP Value Forecast 2025. The usefulness behind AMP is cut by the brains. Throughout the following 5 years, the token is set to hurry up with other digital currencies to show up at a cost of 17 cents. A stunning good faith is anticipated for AMP mostly because of its predictable exhibition throughout the following 4 years. Consequently, merchants ought to allude to our AMP figure before they put resources into AMP. AMP Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that the market turns great, AMP cost is set to break all boundaries and perform extravagantly, scaling the top sooner rather than later according to our gauge, violating all impediments throughout the following year. The AMP token would clearly give indications of fortune. Clients can investigate as needs be and remember AMP for their portfolio alongside other AMP crypto cost expectation coins for bringing in cash altogether sooner rather than later. Supported by strong savvy gets, the AMP cost may effortlessly contact 19 cents continuously 50% of the year 2026. AMP Value Forecasts past 2026. AMP digital currency specialists generally plan for the drawn-out cost targets instead of the transient speculation. With a touch of persistence in keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out AMP value, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027 as the reception of AMP would develop dramatically. By when AMP would be not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of digital currencies. However, a carefully prepared player is turning 32 cents. In this manner, it is prudent to purchase AMP or sell AMP at the ongoing value level to acquire more benefit. Also, as additional individuals would purchase or selling AMP, they will have an advantage on it. Is AMP crypto an air pocket? Individuals really do have this confusion as AMP digital forms of money are inclined to unpredictability.